Good morning, Carrie Busey. Today we are going to be doing a jumping and hopping, possibly leaping exercise. You get to choose. But before we play this game, it's going to be a pattern game. Before we play it, I want to quickly remind you on the difference between a jump, hop, and a leap. I hope some of you remember, but let's just go over that really fast. So if we remember, a jump is where you start on 2 feet, you go into the air, and you land on 2 feet. So this is a jump. A hop is when we start on 1 foot, we leave the air, and we land on that same foot. So this is a hop. I can do it with my other leg. That is a hop. And a leap is when you start on 1 foot, you go into the air, and you land on the other foot, okay? So one to the other. That is a leap, right? Leap. Typically when you leap, you go forward. So, knowing that those are the 3 exercises we're going to be doing, I want you to take a look down here at this board I made, okay? So you can see I have 4 different areas. I told you we can be creative. I use 4 different hats with different colors. So yellow, black, blue, and orange. I've seen people do 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can put 4 different items as long as you remember the difference, okay? So what you're going to do is you can create a pattern by yourself, or you can have somebody with you say a pattern. And what I'm going to do is I am going to start right outside of my area. So I'm standing right outside. Let's say for this first activity, I am going to do my jump, so 2 feet to 2 feet. I can make the pattern, or my partner can make the pattern. Since it's just me today, my first pattern, I'm going to say blue, black, yellow, orange. So what you are going to do is you are going to jump in to the blue space, then jump back out. Then jump in to the black space, then jump back out. Then jump in to the yellow space, then jump back out. Then jump in to the orange space and jump back out. And that's because I chose the pattern of blue, black, yellow, orange. So that is only 4 different spaces, so it would look something like this, okay? Blue, black, yellow, orange. And that was a jump, 2 feet to 2 feet, okay? So I could choose to maybe do a leap or a hop. Let's do a hop this time. We'll make it more challenging. The more colors you give yourself or your partner gives you, the more challenging it is. For example, I just used a 4-color pattern. This time I'll do 5 and I'll switch it up. And I'm going to do the hop. So, since I'm making my own pattern, I'm going to say blue, yellow, black, orange, yellow. And I'm going to try to do my hop. So 1 foot to the same foot. So blue, yellow, I already forgot, let's see, black, orange, yellow. I might have forgot that. So a cool thing you could do is your partner could maybe write down, or they can remember the pattern, so you can see your challenge is to see what is the longest pattern that you can get with your memory. So for example, I just think I made a mistake on 5. I might have got it right. We'll see when we go back and watch this, but I know I got 4 right. So I did the jump, which was 2 feet to 2 feet. Then I did the hop, which is 1 foot to the same foot. I could do it again with the leap, which is 1 foot to the other foot. So your challenge today is to be creative with what you use for your pattern. I use colored hats. You can use numbers or anything you want. And also I want you to see what is the longest pattern that you can remember while doing your jumps. Okay, I made a mistake on 5. Let's see if there's anybody that can do 6, 7, 8. That would be really challenging, okay? Remember to jump into that space and then jump out. Have a good day.